In this video, we're going to show you how to share computer groups with other users in your account, as well as a couple of useful features that help you keep your shared computers organized. Now, there are a couple of options for sharing a computer. We recommend sharing computers via computer groups by clicking Share from the Computer Group drop-down menu. This allows us to share multiple computers at once with users. Now, an even better practice when dealing with a large number of users is to share the computer groups with user groups, which makes management even faster and easier. So in case a new employee joins the company, for example, we simply add a new user to the appropriate user group. That way, we do not need to manage or share computers any further, and the new user automatically has access to the already shared computers. Now on to permission settings. Connect only means that the users can only connect to computers inside of the computer group, but not manage them. Whereas a computer manager can use all the features from the computer drop-down menu. That means they can edit a computer name, upgrade ISL Always On the remote side, change the owner or password, move the computer to another group, or even delete computers. Finally, we have the group admin. Group admins can do everything a computer manager can, but can also edit the group name, share the computer with additional members, or even delete that group. Now let's click the Share button to share this computer group with users and user groups. We can also find the users and the user groups listed from the icon dropdown. Additionally, when adding a new computer, we can easily add it to the existing computer groups, and it will automatically be shared with all user or user groups. This way, users can automatically get access to the newly added computer, and there is no need to manage or share computers any further. Now, the other way is to share an individual computer from the computer drop-down menu. By clicking Share, we get the same dialog as we do when sharing a computer group, but with one important exception. Users will not have any permissions besides the ability to connect to the remote computers. So just to clarify, when dealing with a large list of users and computers, sharing one computer might not be the best practice, and it would be best to go with the first option. So once a computer or computer group is shared with your users, they'll need to know the access password in order to connect to the shared computers. The access password is the password that was defined upon adding a computer. Now we can share the main access password with them, or we can set individual passwords for each shared computer by clicking the Change Password from the computer dropdown. Just select Connection Access Password. This will be the password that users can also use while keeping the main access password secret. Now to set it up, type your main access password for this computer and enter the new connection access password. Retype and click Change. The connection access password is now set. So if we log out and log in with one of the user we shared the computers with, let's go with Bob. We can see the computer is assigned to Bob, and he can connect to the computer by entering either the main access password or the connection access password we defined before. If Bob was set to group admin, he can also manage the computer groups by editing or sharing the group further on. That'll be it for this video. In case you'd like to know more about access passwords, we welcome you to check out our manual topic. Thank you for watching and see you next time.